Do you ever receive a writing assignment for your class and not know how you need to answer the question? There are certain words used in many assignment questions that you need to know the meanings of in order to answer the question correctly. Most written work begins with a question, and students must be clear about what the question asks them to answer before starting to plan their essay. In this video, we're going to talk about analyzing essay assignments. We will look at the words that are often used in assignment questions. Let's look at this assignment. The state, or government, should play no part in the organization of industry. Discuss. Here, the key word is discuss. Discussing involves examining the benefits and drawbacks of something. So in this assignment, you would examine the benefits and drawbacks of government being a part of the organization of industry. Let's look at another assignment. Define information technology, IT, and outline its main applications in medicine. Now here, one of the main words is the word define. Define means to give a meaning or a definition of a word or idea. In this essay, you need to define what information technology means. What does IT mean? You also need to outline something. Now, to outline means to give the main points of something. So in this essay, you need to outline or give the main points of how IT is used in medicine. Here's another assignment. Compare and contrast the appeal process in the legal systems of Britain and the USA. In this essay, you need to compare and contrast. Now, compare and contrast means to show the things that are the same and the things that are different about a particular topic. The things to compare and contrast in this essay are the appeal process in the legal systems in Britain and in the USA. Let's look at one more assignment. Evaluate the effect of mergers in the motor industry in the last 10 years. Now here the main word is evaluate. Evaluate means to determine the significance, the worth, or the condition of something, usually by careful appraisal and study. So in this essay, you need to decide what is the significance of the mergers in the motor industry, and more specifically, in the last 10 years. Here's one more assignment. Trace the development of primary education in one country. Illustrate some of the issues currently facing the sector. In this essay, the first thing you need to do is to trace. Now, to trace something is to follow or study out in detail or look at step by step. So, what do we need to trace? We need to trace the development of primary education in one country. Now, the second thing we need to do is to illustrate. Now, to illustrate something means to show clearly. So you need to show clearly some of the issues concerning the development of primary education. Here are some other terms that are often used in essay assignments. You might be asked to analyze something. To analyze means to examine carefully by finding the different parts or details. You may be asked to describe something. This would mean to give detailed account of the topic. Examine is another word that is often used in an assignment. Examine means to look at carefully and then discuss. The question or assignment also may use the word state. To state something is to declare specifically or definitely. You will also see the word suggest in certain assignments. To suggest something is to introduce an idea for consideration. And summarize may also be found in many assignments. To summarize something means to show the main points or ideas. I hope you noticed that many of the assignments have two terms. You must decide how much importance to give to each section of the essay. Be careful to answer both parts of the assignment. When you first receive your assignment, be sure to read the assignment carefully and determine what you need to write in your essay. I hope that you found this video helpful and that you now know what some of the words that are used in assignment questions mean, so you'll be able to know how to write your essays. Be sure to check out some of my other videos about writing as well. Happy writing!